Okay, we're going to look at the temperature of the bed. And you can see I've got my laser right on the front, set to 100 degrees, and it's 96, very acceptable. Go to the middle, still 96, very acceptable. We're going to come up to this corner here, 94, yeah, it's still reasonable. And over to this corner, 95, reasonable. Now we're going to go to the back. It's now dropped down to 70 degrees, 69, 61 degrees, 62 at the back center, and 60, 65 degrees. You move in a bit, and then it pops back up. And you're losing a lot of distance. So this is not hot enough of a bed back there for this to work properly.